At the edge of Earth and space, there's a revolution happening, one that promises to protect our future and transform space operations. At Redwire, we are pioneering the use of VLEO, a new orbital frontier that bridges the gap between air and space. VLEO spacecraft capture critical intelligence and deliver sustainable mission operations. Their distinct, self-cleaning orbit has the potential to increase mission assurance and enable maneuverability with intent. And being closer to the action on the ground than traditional satellites enables higher resolution imaging, providing remarkable clarity and insights. When traditional surveillance is unavailable, VLEO spacecraft could remain vigilant, safeguarding peace and global security. In moments when every second counts,
we've lost visuals.
VLEO spacecraft could provide the resiliency needed to ensure operators remain connected. And when ground communications fail, VLEO spacecraft could offer a secure lifeline to coordinate rescue efforts and to help save lives. While others follow, Redwire leads. With SabreSat, our American-built VLEO platform, and Phantom, our European-built VLEO platform, we are bringing this untapped orbit from concept to full-scale operations in support of global security, scientific discovery, and environmental stewardship. Together, we defend above.